To installation of R language and RStudio, first you have to download and install R language, and then you have to go for RStudio. So I selected my favorite web browser, Chrome, and just write it down RStudio, R language, first R language download. Okay, R language download. Then you'll redirect it to directly, rproject.org. That's the official site, and just click on download 4.1.2 Windows. So it's taking a time depend on your internet speed, and after downloading your R language, then you have to start the installation of RStudio. The same time you have to also download the RStudio as well. So let me also open the new tab and just write it down RStudio. Go there and then go to the official site of RStudio. So in between, my R language will also be installed properly. So when you scroll down, you're getting the option in the RStudio desktop, RStudio Pro, and RStudio server. So obviously you have to download RStudio desktop, that's free one. Okay, now just click on it and click on this one. Yeah, my RStudio downloading process is started. So, and the same time my R language is already downloaded. Let me just go to the same show folders and double click on installation process. So yeah, just click yes. If you're getting the pop-up button, then you have to click yes. Okay, then okay, and agree the license, and next, and depend on your PC configuration, and if you have 64-bit, then unselect this 32-bit. Otherwise 64 and 32 both will be downloaded. Click on next, and no, we have to select the default one. Click next and next. So just create the desktop shortcut if you want, you can, otherwise it's not more important. Next. So the installation of R language will not taking a more time because it's very lightweighted software, but RStudio maybe take a time. Okay, just wait for 2 minutes at least to installation of R language, and then we'll start the RStudio. My R language is properly finished now. Just click on finish. Now R language is properly finished. Just search the R language. This is not there. I already created my shortcut desktop icon, so hope it will be there. Yes, R is already created. Just double click on it. This is the R console. Basic R is there. Obviously I don't have to work on here, like if I'm writing the program print, so it's not giving any kinds of suggestions. Whatever you, everything you have to write it down here. Okay, so just click enter, you're getting the answer. But this interface is not more attractive. Everything you have to do it manually. So we need RStudio. Then I think my RStudio is already downloaded. So let me start the installation. Show in the folder, double click on it and start the installation. Yeah, it's asking for a permission. Just give the permission and say yes, and start your RStudio installation will start. Yes, click next, start installation, done. So it will taking a time because RStudio is a heavy software, so obviously it will taking time. So just wait for at least 5 minutes and then your installation will be finished, and I'll show you how write the RStudio, R program on RStudio and how to run it. My RStudio is finished. Just click on finish now. And to open the RStudio, just click on Windows and write it down R. It already giving the option here RStudio. Just click on it. Then your RStudio will be open. Yes, this is the interface of RStudio. Obviously, we have to work on here. To write the first program, just go to the file and new and R script. Okay, R script. Just create it and write it on any program like A is equal to 6, B is equal to 7, and just giving the very fast suggestions. Print A plus B, and if you want to run it, if you want to run the entire program, then you just click on it. You have to select it and then run, and go to the edit option. Go to the code option. Then you will getting the run region and run all. You can run the entire file, but the shortcut is just you have to select anything and just click on this button. It will be run it here. So 5 plus 6 and then getting the option is 13. And whatever variable you are using, that will be showing the option here in this section. So you can also utilize it, and which value is stored in which variable.